The purpose of this rally is to call on President Tinubu to advise his minister to take off his knees off the shoulders of the governor of Rivers State. In fact, we are touched by the fact that after his own intervention, after the intervention of the governors of the PDP, after the intervention and appeals by the Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, led by Sergeant Awuse, his own father, elders of Rivers State, Democrats all over Nigeria, Wike is still hell-bent in cutting short the tenure of February. Wike has declared a war against the Ijaw people. Yeah. And we are ready for him. You can call it ethnic, you can call it any name, we are not bothered. The Ijaw National Congress has a responsibility, a moral responsibility, to defend any Ijaw man. For us, this is an insult on the entire Ijaw nation.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.